Sampa cake recipe and making process, a historic tribute for His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday. This special video captures the first ever Tsampa cake made in the Tibetan community by Sirajay Buddhist Culture Center in New York in honor of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's 90th birthday. Tsampa, a traditional and beloved Tibetan staple made from roasted barley flour, is at the heart of this unique 5-layer, 4-foot-tall celebratory cake. Created with deep devotion and cultural pride, the cake was prepared during the sacred month of Sakadoa, a time of immense merit in Tibetan Buddhism. Ingredients used: 150 pounds of tsampa, roasted barley flour, 80 pounds of butter, 10 pounds of white sugar, 5 pounds of brown cane sugar, 25 pounds of Tibetan dry cheese chura. Over 600 guests were served this delicious and symbolic cake during the grand celebration organized by the Sirajay Buddhist Culture Center. The event was not only a culinary success, but also a cultural milestone, honoring Tibetan tradition, unity, and spiritual legacy.
다디야.
Tsampa, ma, chura. Ini cuma sini lah, pak. Oh, tadi. Fit kasih sah. Fit susah lah. Air kasih mata.
Lanjutlah.